Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're diving into garden upcycling. Learn how to repurpose old gardening tools and containers to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your garden. Let's get started. Upcycling reduces waste and adds unique, personal touches to your garden. It's an eco-friendly way to give new life to old items. Here are some creative ideas for repurposing old gardening tools. 1. Tool handle trellis. Use old tool handles to create a trellis. Perfect for climbing plants like beans and peas. 2. Shovel blade planters. Turn old shovel blades into unique planters. Attach to a wooden board and mount on a wall or fence. 3. Rake head tool organizer. Repurpose an old rake head into a tool organizer. Mount on a wall and use the tines to hang small tools or garden decor. Now let's look at how you can upcycle old containers. First, the tin can herb garden. Use old tin cans to create a charming herb garden. Just punch drainage holes, give them a nice paint job, and plant your favorite herbs. Next up, boot planters. Turn old boots into quirky planters. Simply fill them with soil and plant flowers or herbs. And finally, tire planters. Repurpose old tires into colorful planters. You can paint them, stack them, and fill with soil and plants. It's a great way to add a splash of color. Add some artistic flair to your garden with these decorative upcycling ideas. Start with broken pot fairy gardens. Transform broken pots into enchanting fairy gardens. Add soil, small plants, and miniature accessories to bring them to life. Then, chandelier planters. Convert an old chandelier into a stunning hanging planter. Remove the wiring, add small pots, and plant some trailing flowers. Lastly, ladder shelves. Use an old wooden ladder as a tiered plant shelf. Place potted plants on the steps for a beautiful vertical garden display. Upcycling old gardening tools and containers is a fun and sustainable way to enhance your garden's beauty and functionality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!